Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, August 7th, 2023. The Bulls had control of the tape today. It's really not a surprise. We had some pretty good selling after we made the highs up at the 45 day. I'm sorry, we made it all the way. We made it up to the 4600. So we saw a decent drop. We were pretty oversold. We were at some support. So we anticipating a bounce was pretty much in there. I left the day open. I believe we're coming up somewhere up into the 45-30, maybe even come up and test the 45-40. If the Bears lose this, that's when you start looking at the 45-50, and then the possibility of closing the gap at 45-76. This is where the Bears would be on really treading water on very thin ice right here, meaning that if they lose it, then we're coming up and taking out these highs. So I think it's pretty important for the Bears to defend this 45-40. I think it's really, really important for them to defend the 45-50. So this is the important zone. Short term, this is the resistance. We closed on it right here, right around that 45-20. Again, if the Bulls can push through it, the next line in the sand is going to be right up at that 45-30, and then we go to the 45-40. So this is the importance resistance range: 45-30, 45-40. Support, it's going to really go down to the 4500, down to the 45.95. This is the support there. If they lose this, this is when we come down and we start testing down the 44.75. So we don't have any, we do have some sell signals on the 15-minute chart. 60-minute chart, we are oversold. We're now we are now getting close to the overbought levels. We did have bullish divergences here. So again, don't be too quick to try to short this. Wait and see where it ends. We're getting into the overbought levels, but we still could see them come up and test this. So you want to pick the pivots to be shorting. And just remember that the door, we have a gap open up here, and we know that the Bears are very neat creatures when it comes to shorting. So that's really about it. Daily chart, we're in oversold levels, but I still think there's going to be more than that, just because we do have the bearish divergent sell signals. So my guess is long term, we're going to be coming down at bare minimum, testing the 4300, more likely coming to test down this 4100, 4200. These are really going to be my downside targets: 4100, 4200. I actually would not be surprised if that happens before Labor Day as well. So that's why you're seeing that this could be scary if it does come down to these targets. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.